Hi guys, so let's play. I'm gonna play Dragon Tycoon. I play this game but sometimes my friends call me to play other games, but I don't mind. Sometimes the game will bring out something they're out. Out of cash, get a free $20 for 5 minutes. Fries, burger, and hot dog, please. Fries, burger, fries, burger, hot dog. Mabiji, watri. Tu. One hot dog costs $20. That's so expensive. Wait. Kinda good. Wait. I think I bought the right one. Wait, if somebody orders a burger, I freaking have free burgers. Hey, I want to order fries, hot dog, burger. Okay. Burger's already done because easy. Okay, so what's the soda machine? Double dogs. I got the soda machine. This is the soda machine. Hey, do you guys have fries, hot dog? Hot dog, cheese dog. Hot dog, cheese dog. Kaya niya ba to? My mom taught me how to speak Filipino when I was born because he's also half. So I can. Well, there you go. I was supposed to reveal it at 100 subscribers, but I already speak Filipino earlier. Yambo, hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Halt. Bonjour, my friend. Welcome to America. Okay, you a hot dog? I cook you hot dog. So, 10. Okay. People, just buy some burgers. We have auto-cooked burgers, manig. You are joking, guys. Don't report me to YouTube. Please. Please, I need this. Because I wanna be famous one day. That's my dream. My uncle also uses YouTube. So please also support him. Billie Jean's not my lover. She just a girl who that I am the one. Oh, but the kid's not my son. She says I am the one. Hee. Give you the hot dog. Billie Jean's not my lover. She's just a girl who that I am the one. But the kid's not my son. Wait, at least the fries are kind of cheap though. They cost $15. But for a freaking hot dog, you're gonna freaking pay $20 just for a hot dog? Well, it makes sense because it has bun. But where did the bun come from though? And where did the plastic come from? It's just a patty and you freaking make hot dog. Nobody wants to buy my soda. This is gonna cost $35. Their bank account's crying right now because I had to put it. Wait, we have soda. Where's my friend? Homeless Dan. Yo man, give me that crown. That's expensive. Billie Jean's not my lover. She just a girl. That I am the one. But the kid's not my son. He says I am the one. Woo. Oy, bata, bigyan mo ako candy. Sa wakas, may bumili ng Coco. Coco, mama! Sorry guys, my mom is that sometimes Coco, Mama Coco! Oh, I forgot the fries. Put the fries in the bag, bro! Yo, shut up! You better be quiet, buddy. Give me my soda. Yo, you make sure put those fries in the bag. Yeah, little bro, I'm gonna do it. Ring. Hello? Yeah, shut up. Okay, why is this guy calling me and where's the delivery? Rice, water. Wait, it's just the cost. Rice, water, fries. So I'm gonna come back because I have a delivery to do. Let's get a go-kart. Default car. This is not a car, this is a golf cart. Older. Wait. Ow. 100. Yes, there's the house. Wait. The freaking car freaking lost track. Wait, get me in. Break. Ow. My wheel is going fast. Go round. The wheels on the car go vroom, all the way to Gun City. put the fries in the bag again. Hee hee. Jeez. We're gonna get a double dip. What does bro mean by double dip? Get a what? Get a house? Get a life? What you want? Just what? It was not my problem. It was your problem. You didn't ask me nicely. Hey. Burger. Hot dog, soda. No, that's $50, my guy. Pay up. Give me the money after you eat. You better pay, my guy, or you're gonna get. Why did I freaking waste bun if we freaking have burger? That's why I have automatic burger machine. Give me the truth. Are we dead? Hot dog, water, soda. Why does bro want? Okay. Why 2 dogs? Is he gonna go woof woof? Like, what the heck? Hee hee. Billy Jeans. Can you guys please watch over the food? I'm gonna pee. Billy Jeans. Not my lover. She just a girl. That I am the one. One to eat that I serve. Thank you guys so much for watching over the food. I really appreciate your kindness. Really helpful. Let's go. Give me the money, bro. Oh, okay. Six. Oh, there's a customer. Hey, guy. Burger. Water. You get the burger already because we have freaking good burgers. Ooh, automatic fryer. Oh. No. Oh, come on. First, I forgot about my car freaking left. Let's go. Wait. Okay. Let's go. Oh yeah. Wait. Okay, let's go. 105. Wish. Deliver. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, guys, bye bye.